from birth, a spiritual garment of untimely death is already on you, that you will not cross 40, you will not cross 50. I'd like you to say again, every grave cloth upon me, I lose you now. Leave me. Go ahead and pray. I lose myself from every garment. Like Lazarus, I am alive, I am in Christ. I cannot be wearing grave clothes. You may have been dead in sin, but Jesus has come. He's paid the price for you. You cannot be wearing the garment of a dead man when you are alive. Lose him, let him go. Lose her, let her go.